Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, where we bring you the latest tech reviews and product insights. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the GAMDIAS ATX mid-tower gaming computer PC case with tempered glass and 4x 120mm RGB case fans. The GAMDIAS ATX mid-tower case is designed to impress with its sleek and stylish look. The full-sized tempered glass panel not only adds to the aesthetics but also provides easy access for showcasing your gaming rig's inner beauty. This case supports RGB connection to compatible motherboards, allowing for system-wide lighting synchronization. It comes equipped with 4 built-in 120mm RGB fans, creating a mesmerizing light show through the mesh front panel and tempered glass side panel. Gamers know the importance of airflow, and this case excels in that department. The front mesh panel is designed for optimal airflow intake, ensuring your components stay cool even during intense gaming sessions. The case offers great expandability with options for different storage configurations, including 3.5 and 2.5 drive bays. It also supports various motherboard sizes, from ATX to Micro ATX and Mini ITX, providing flexibility for different build preferences. Installing components in this case is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. Cable management is made easy with plenty of routing options, resulting in a clean and organized build. Whether you're an AMD or Intel user, planning for multiple GPUs, or using an eATX motherboard, this case has got you covered. It offers connectivity with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 ports, as well as HD audio, making it convenient for all your gaming needs. The best part? Despite all these fantastic features, the GAMDIAS ATX mid-tower gaming PC case comes at an affordable price point of just $59.99. In summary, the GAMDIAS ATX mid-tower gaming PC case is a stunning and feature-packed choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. Its RGB lighting, excellent airflow, and user-friendly design make it a top contender in its category. With a price tag that won't break the bank, this case offers exceptional value for your gaming rig. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts on this product, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on UK Pro Reviewer.